Good morning, traders. My name is Anna, and I'm head coach here at Leverage. Today, with me, I have Amin, and together we're going to do live trading today. So, welcome, traders. So, welcome to the live trading room.
Hello,
Just
everyone.
wanted to say hello, hello. Just wanted to say if you did not see the disclaimer, then please do not copy any of the trades that we take. This is just for entertainment purposes. So, we're going to have Friday fun, let's say, on the charts. So thank you so much for joining in. For those who are joining in, let us know where you're watching from, and yeah, let's dig in. But
Let's
maybe
go.
first, I mean, how was your week? How was your trading week? I know you've been trading a
So,
lot on Discord.
exactly, I was full focused on scalping this week, not like
Mhm,
last week. Last week's it was more on day tradings. This week I wanted to be full focus on scalping and on gold. Was focused on full on gold because if you see the charts on high time frames for gold, there is nothing to trade on the swing trade, and so it's there is more opportunities on scalping for gold since
mhm,
it's pumping like a crypto to the moon for the gold. So there is more setups to trade on lower time frames for gold. So I just this week I just finished the back testing and the forward testing with the new strategies I was checking with the viewers, and we've done 100 trades with a good win rate of almost 80%. And yeah, tonight and next week we're gonna start trading live these setups.
nice, really, really good. Okay, so guys, if you want to join I mean, for his live trading sessions, because you're doing it Monday to Friday, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Monday to Friday on Discord. And then you just need to join our Discord. By the way, link is here down in the description. So please join there. And you can also join Amin then while he is doing some live trading in the Discord, which is super awesome. Okay. Um, what do you think? What kind of pair should we look at? And what do you think we should discuss?
So
Maybe do analysis on it. What do you think?
there is many options. Since we are at the end of the week, we can check
Mhm,
the full markets during this week, how it was and how it will may react for the next week. We are in the
mhm.
night, very nice day to analyze end of the week and prepare for the next week for any swing or potential day trade for today. And yeah, it will be nice to check the big markets like gold, the most big
Yeah, gold
versus
is
forex stock
Gold is
market.
interesting. Printing all-time highs every hour, huh?
As you can see, yeah, it's like a crypto pump.
I know, right? But that's gold, which is really, really interesting. And I think like if you look at the weekly, I think it's been like 8 or if I'm not mistaken, 8 or 9 weeks since we're bullish. Let me see, one, two,
That's crazy.
three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So this is the ninth week since we're bullish on gold, and this is weekly time frame. Okay, so this is I think what traders are trying to do is probably catch the top now and sell. What do you think?
Yeah, exactly. And I suggest to
Mm.
not do that.
Yep, I'm the same. Please do not try to catch the top. Although for now, look at that daily candle does look, bearish for now, but everything might change again and we are going to go bullish. So if you are trying to catch the top, mm, just be
No,
careful, right?
just
That's all I can
avoid
say. Just be careful.
avoid. For me, at least for me, I will do only day trading or scalping on 5
Mhm.
minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, where I have some key levels signals to trade. But
Yeah.
for me, you have
So
only two
you
options:
scalp.
either you are a long-term investor on gold,
Yeah.
or day trader scalper on it, not swing.
Yeah. Would you say that you would sell when you're scalping, or you still would just be with the bias, which is like long-term bias or higher time frame bias, and you would only buy, or you only would you be only a buyer, or when you're scalping you could also like, okay, I think the price might go down to this area, so I'm just going to sell. What do you think?
So on my side, there is better directly profitabilities and higher win rates when you trade with the buys.
Yeah.
It's proven. So I
Hmm.
suggest, yeah, to increase your win rate. It's better to trade with the buyers. But if you are comfortable to trade against it, okay, but just be ready to, yeah, to be against the trend.
Yeah. Um, yeah, I mean, I would say the same. Although there's always like a really good discussion. Like, should we trade with higher time frames when we are trading lower time frames, or should we just focus on the lower time frames because the trend in the lower time frame you can go against. I think personally, you can
Yeah,
go against. So I don't think it's like crazy if you're gonna sell the gold in 1 minute time frame
yeah,
like now,
exactly.
although
I
the
do
gold
it
is
often. So
yeah.
on club.
So it's just what Amin also said is maybe try and use like better risk to reward. But like, even then, I think as traders, our journeys are personal and our strategies are personal. So, like, if someone says, oh, no, don't sell gold now, I mean, don't listen. If your strategy tells you to sell gold,
True.
you sell gold, right? But yeah, on lower time frames, I can definitely see there will be some more pullbacks. But like altogether, you can see it's just trending bullish. So it's really hard to catch some sales, right? But now, who knows? Maybe we're gonna go to
So
here. I
yeah, I
don't
had
know.
some selling trades on gold today. One
Hmm.
a few minutes ago, another one 2 hours ago. So yeah, you can get selling trades, but yeah, you have to be quick in and out. It's scalping, so
Yeah, I agree. I mean, even now, um, if I do like quick analysis in here, I mean, let me see rectangle. So this would be like my resistance area,
yeah, there I
right?
had a good trade of seller.
You got a good trade. Okay, okay, right.
Bouncing, it's bouncing again. So it's a
Wait, I'm
good key
gonna.
level.
Yeah, definitely. So this is like our resistance there, right? And I mean, what's happening now, if we take like this low, it's getting broken. So I think, because I want to enter some trades, we're doing live trading. So let's do a little scalping. So I'm going to enter trade. I'm going to put my stops above here, which is 2448. Let me do 2448. And I'm going to risk just 0.5%. Okay.
Good.
Okay, let's place a trade and put profits, like just down here. So it's not like the biggest risk to reward because also like in scalping, let's do sell. So what's our risk to reward in here? It's gonna be like 1-to-1 something, right? Yeah, one
Little
and a
above.
half.
Yeah.
Not that bad, right? It's not that bad.
Good. I don't have this kind of risk rate. For mine are very small. When I
Yeah,
scalp, it all depends of your style of trading, the strategy. Because
yeah,
the lower the risk reward, then the higher will be the win rate. It's
yeah.
math. So
I mean, yeah, that's like logically it makes sense, right? If you're going for big reward trades where you're, like targeting big reward, like let me see. Let me try and put this, like this. It just makes sense that more times when you try to catch these big moves, you will be wrong more times, right? So
yes,
logically thinking, your win rate is going to be lower. But if you target like once to once or like even negative risk to reward, then for the strategy to be profitable, it just makes sense logically. Then that your that your win rate has to be higher, right? Because you're targeting lower targets. But yeah, I mean, this one is also okay.
yeah, it's
It's
good.
just
It's good. Take
yeah,
profits there, key level. So
yeah.
now we wait for this.
Now
So
we
yeah, you've
wait. Yeah,
entered at the right moment of the breakout of the last
yeah.
support. So yeah, it's nice timing. Well done.
Okay. Woohoo! Deepak says quick analysis on GBP USD. Okay, let's look at the GBP
Yeah,
USD.
good.
I
Fast
mean, do you
open of
trade
the
GBP?
London.
Do you trade the pound?
Yeah, I trade all the forex pairs on
Okay. Right,
everything.
15 minutes. What is going on in here? Let me see. So we're bullish on 15 minutes. Let's do like a top-down analysis quickly,
Yes, 15
okay?
minutes
So
is
let's
good.
start. Yeah, let's start on a daily. So what daily is doing? Not much. We're kind of stuck in this range in here. Like this is like our daily range, right? Let me just fill this and do that. So this is like our daily range, and then we can decide, what
Yeah,
we're
we are
gonna
in the
do.
middle.
We are in the middle. That's it. Like so, I'm trying to find like some kind of zone, some kind of areas where the price, could react
Oh
from.
yeah,
And I
this
think
is
what
a
has
nice level.
happened here. See, that's the reaction of the wick here. So if I zoom in even more, like you can see there was a lot of tension in here, right? So this level really struggled to break through. We have some wicks in here, but other than that, like we know that this place in the market here has some serious resistance. Okay, I'll put this as red, and I'll
Yeah,
put it
have to watch
bigger.
on this when the price will be on it.
Yeah. So we can see that like the price is like 1.34800. So really close to that psychological level of like round number of 35, like here. So this is like a really quick, like, I don't know if you trade like this, but I do look at the round numbers and I
Yeah,
do
it's
think
part of
that
the.
traders, right?
I agree.
It's it
It's
makes
matching
sense.
often the price where there is maybe a rejection directly on it or a clear
Hmm.
breakout. It's key levels. It's key levels.
Yeah, it is. So and we can see like really nice rejection in here. Then I would drop to 4 hours, like just to see what's going on in 4 hours. So we can say that we rejected from this area, we pushed down, we broke the low in here. So what suggests, like now, it suggests that the low has been broken, right? And that the price potentially could go lower again because we could not break these highs yet again. So the price failed to break the highs. And now what's happening, there's a big rejection coming down.
Very
And
nice
if this
rejection.
candle, and we're closing in 47 minutes. So like if this candle is closing like this, it just signals us that we might go bearish again. So this is how I read the price action.
Good,
Some
yeah.
other
I
traders
think
might see.
in 1 hour we may have divergence with
Mm-hmm.
the RSI,
Okay.
and if we break the last, yeah, this level right now, if it's
Yeah,
broken, it's a good sign.
that we're going lower.
Yeah, the probabilities
Yeah,
will be higher. It's all about probabilities.
of
The
course, of
probabilities
course.
to go lower will increase.
Yeah, it's about also good risk management. So, on 15 minutes, if I look at that, I feel like probably we already should have been in the trade then.
Yeah,
So
but
now
it is
it's
what it is.
chasing. We don't want to chase, right? We don't
Exactly.
want to chase the
It's
price.
painful to watch when we miss a trade, but it's part of the
Yeah.
journey.
Yeah. I mean, we should have been already in here, right? We should have been selling, okay? We should have been selling already, okay?
It's okay. We are in gold
Um,
now.
yeah. But I mean, like, we can still trade the continuation. So let's say if now we break this level in here,
Yeah,
right? So
exactly.
this support, if we break, we come to retest, then we can sell again. So it's all about waiting and it's all about, like figuring out what the price will do next and just reacting to the price movement. So
Yeah,
yeah.
this is a strong support. If it's breaking it, it may
Mhm.
be go lower and lower. So yeah, it's nice
Yeah.
to have a watch on it
Hmm.
because when it's broken, you can have a good profit target.
Yeah, for sure. We could go even lower. But then at the same time, like it's also interesting for me to read what's going on in the world now because like there's so much hype around the dollar. Is it going to be the strength in a dollar or the weakness in the dollar? And obviously that is also going to affect our trades, is how the dollar, behaves.
Yeah, it
So
should be
yeah,
the first asset to analyze every day.
yeah,
The XI
DXY.
directly.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. But this looks really nice. This looks like a really nice
Beautiful, yeah.
bearish. Yeah. Let's look at the gold quickly. Okay, we're coming down. Look at that. We're coming down. Nervous. I'm nervous. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
So yeah,
I
we are
think
in the red zone for the gold.
we are.
Uh, it is what
We
it
are.
is. So we have just to be to wait. We followed the
Yeah.
rules of our strategy. If it's working
Yeah.
good, if not, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the stop loss is well placed above the rejections of candles, and the entry level is directly placed after the breakout. So everything is nicely done. No
Yeah.
regret if it's a loss. If it's a win, all good too.
Yep. I think this is also like really interesting, like not interesting, but really good part to talk about is that traders struggle to accept their losses. And it's one of the most talked topics in one-on-one sessions when I do coaching. And we always talk about why it's important to accept the loss, because if you don't, you might get in trouble.
I
and
agree.
and it's also going to also easier to accept the loss if you follow the plan. I even have like this little
I
note in
love it.
here: follow the plan.
This is
And
very helpful.
if you do follow the plan, it's going to be so much easier to accept the loss. And this is exactly what you said, right? If we follow the plan, if we did everything correctly, if this trade was taken, it makes sense. The stops are above the previous highs. We took the trade when there was a breakout. We put the profit in place where the previous low is. So everything is done correctly. We put also 0.5% risk, which is like, what we're risking for, and
Exactly.
it's good. It's a good trade. It really is a good trade. So I think it's just like it's never comfortable to sit and
No,
rest.
no one likes to lose. No one. There is no. It's
Exactly.
human behavior. You can't just. It's like
Yeah. It's true. It really is true. Nobody likes to lose. And if there's someone who says, "Yeah, I love to lose. It's so easy," I don't
it's not
know. I want to
normal
speak.
at all.
I want to speak with that person who says
Exactly.
losing is good. No, I mean it is
Maybe a
good, and
psycho.
it's part of the business. It's part of the trading, but it still sucks to sit through this. But we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen now. Um, and again, I think this is also what we need to accept: the fact that gold is very bullish on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. It is currently at the all-time highs, and I'm just one of the traders who's trying to catch, the top and then scalp it
But
and try and make
this is
profit
this
on
is
it.
right. Yeah, because if it's scalping, it's normal because as you can see just before on the few minutes after on the left on the screen, you can see there is many reasons. So when the gold was
Mhm.
going down, up again, down
Yep.
again.
Yep.
It's not like you're in a top high without any key level. You see,
Hmm.
there is in scalping. This is almost
Yep.
like quantum word. It's another word. It's not the same as other
Yeah.
time frames.
That's
It's going
true.
very up very strongly. So the closer it is to our stop loss, the higher the probability is to be a loss. It's always like this. But just
It is.
yesterday, I had a trade on gold when the the price touched my almost my take profit. It was like
Yeah.
very near a few pips and
All right.
decided to go up until my stop loss. So it was
Uh,
a good pleasure to watch.
yep.
But this
Yep.
is part of the rest. So maybe it will be the reverse right now. So it will may bounce on this
May,
levels
yeah.
and
Or it might do this, like, oh, sorry. It might do this. Wait, wait, wait. It's might gonna take it and then go to my
this is
profit.
yeah. But it is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. I know. I know. It is what it is. Okay, like that, you know?
Yeah, this is just for teasing you, you know?
It's teasing. It's teasing. And this is the part of trading. Like, and I'll tell you why I don't like scalping personally. It's because I feel like in scalping we deal with a lot more emotions than I would do intraday or swing trading.
Totally.
It's because each candle is 1 minute. So each candle gives you new emotion. if I
It's too
see
much
bullish
stressful.
candles when I'm selling, right? It just like it just creates something, and then there is so much to digest within those emotions. So that's why personally, I don't like scalping. I
It's the
just
most
don't.
difficult. I hate it too.
Yeah, it is difficult, isn't it?
It's not
It really
peaceful for
is.
the mind, neither the body. It's not good for the human being to scalp.
I know. So for those who are scalpers, it probably it shows we have gray hair.
Yeah, or
Like
they're completely bald without any hair, nothing. So
I
often
know.
it's like this. Scalpers have
Yeah.
nothing in the head after a few years. It's very stressful. Really very stressful. So
Yeah.
I think nothing is best than swing trading because you put your trades and do your life at
Yeah.
ease. And after that, there is day trading where you trade in a range of few hours, and there is some stress, but less than scalp. And scalp is the optimum of stress.
Mhm. Yeah. But also like talking about like when we do scalping is main thing is to actually stick to your plan. Again, follow the plan because I see so many traders will start to move their stops, do this because they're like, oh, but the price is just maybe just gonna, do this in
Maybe
here.
yes, just it will bounce
Exactly, right?
and
Yeah. Or they will go like this. And now I have increased my risk from 0.5% to 1.2%. So it's just so important for the traders not to do it and
yeah,
just stick
this
to
is
your plan.
the change,
If
a
you
complete change of risk management.
Yes. So if you have your stop placed in here, then just keep your stop placed in there, and it
Yeah, yeah.
makes sense. And do not, do like any adjusting because this is where the most mistakes happens when traders cannot accept the loss and they start to move their stops up and down, up and down. And normally when we're selling, we're just gonna, okay, I'm just gonna, do this. So it's wrong. We just need
I
to
agree. I agree.
follow the plan. Yeah.
For this, yeah, the well, everyone who want to start trading or on the curve of learning, you should avoid scalping.
Mm. Yeah, maybe that actually is a good advice. But obviously, I also want to say it really depends on the person. If you're someone who can handle a lot of stress, a lot emotion,
Yeah,
go for
trading
it.
is for you then.
Yeah, trading is definitely for you if you can handle all the stress. If you can't, then just don't. But okay, I also want to look quickly at the GU, what's going to happen at the GU because this level here is a strong level. So we will see what the GU might do.
Yeah, I agree. So yeah, we have two options: either we trade the breakout, or we wait for a pullback,
Hmm.
or a reversal. Three options.
I mean, I think the safest bet on this would be actually to wait for this to break. So we're gonna wait for this to break and then, go
Pullback.
lower. Yeah, like a pullback. But once
Yeah.
we break these lows in here, I think that
Yeah,
would
this
be
is
the
a strong
safest bet.
level. Yeah.
Yeah,
Some people
for sure.
like to do the 50-50%. Like the first
Hmm.
trade will be like half of their normal trades on the risk
Yeah.
management, and on the pullback they put the other half next one
Mm. Yeah. I
because
just like
sometimes it breaks and never pull back. So
exactly that's also the thing. But also now, like if I would sell now, I just don't see that there is strong enough confirmation to say that the price will indeed go down because what can also
yeah,
happen
I agree.
is
For
that
me, I will not sell now. I will wait at
yeah,
least for a
because we
breakout,
can
and
do
I will not
this.
even sell directly. I will place a limit order just below
Yeah.
the break of the candle and wait for the next one
Hmm.
to go below it. This is the way. If I want to trade the breakouts,
Yeah.
I will do like this. And if possible, I would like a nice volume. I will check the tick
Yeah.
of volume, how it goes compared to the average. If it's above, it will be a nice indication that it's not a fake breakout. Because if when there is a breakout with the low
Hmm.
volume, it's not a
Yeah.
good sign.
Maybe like a sell limit in here then, once we break, but maybe also below this wick because there is this wick, and I'm
Yeah,
just like,
for
we
me, I
might
will.
go and fill it and then
I always wait for the break. I place my order after
below
the
the wick.
break. No,
Okay.
I wait for the break happen,
Mm-hmm.
and then I decide if it's a good break or
Yeah.
uh, a lot of hesitation on this break, depending of the hammer and the candle. As you can see, just the candle above the one we have a big red candle. I want this kind of candle when we break a level. I don't
Yeah.
want a break with the hammer, with the wick, etc.
Yeah.
So for now, it's a waiting game for pound USD
Mm-hmm.
on a key level, and
It
we
is the
are in
key
the
level.
London session, so it's very important. There is a lot of
The
volume.
EU is a bit different. EU looks a little different. But also
So
we were like really bullish and now we're going down. Let's see on 15 minutes what we can see. Maybe we can spot
let me check.
some resistance here. So this high, let's just put the high on this level. Yeah, so it took that previous high and then we're moving bearish. But the same thing, like need a break. We really need a break, a proper break to keep on
Let
going
me
lower.
check
Then
for.
we
So
want
did
to
you check
see,
which asset or USD?
yeah, Euro USD. This is this is Euro USD. I'm currently in gold sales, which I know is a terrible idea because gold is so bullish. But for scalping purposes, we already discussed that this is actually okay. It makes sense. The gold created like this all-time high in here, and we've been rejecting it. And so basically, we're trading the pullback. We are scalping the pullback currently, and it's
Yeah,
holding for the dear life.
yeah,
It
it's
is.
on the level. It's like it's maybe I will go up, maybe not.
Yeah. I mean, look at that. This is the almost kiss of a stop loss, but
Yeah,
it
this is why you have to very well place your stop loss above the last rejection at least.
mm,
And then we have
yeah.
multiple rejections. That means it's
Mhm,
respected level many times. So yeah, as you
mhm.
can see, it's going down again. So let's hope for a better down.
Yeah, now we just do this, and we go for take profit. Let me let me do this. So just so we can see. Yeah, we're gonna do this now, okay? This is what's gonna happen.
Let's hope. You need to stay positive, otherwise you
Yeah,
you will be
words
toxic
of
toward
affirmation.
yourself, and
Yeah.
you will start reverse trend, etc.
I know, like used to like I've seen so many funny memes about it when the price needs to go down. So traders will take it in the phone and they were like blow it just so the price
Yeah,
goes down.
this is true. There is a lot of memes like this when they're trying to
It
pump
doesn't work
the.
though. It doesn't work.
It
So
doesn't
we'll
work
see
like
we'll
this.
in this. Um but yeah, I mean if it takes the level, if it takes these highs, then most likely what we're going to do
It's a
it's
buy trade.
it's a buy trade. And
When
yes,
you
we
you have to
should
quickly
have.
change your code.
Yep.
You don't have any buys. You don't attach to any kind of buying or selling strategy. You just follow the market, what is showing you, and
Yeah.
yeah, no
Yeah.
no relationship with any kind of trend.
Nope. Nope. So this is
It's
gonna
not
be
easy
good.
because some people, yeah, can stuck with a sell, and they want a sell and nothing more.
Mhm. Yeah, and I think that's why also happens the stop movement. Like that's why traders also start to move their stops if they are in sell position and they
Exactly.
cannot. It's called marrying the trade. So basically, you marry your trade because you cannot
Yeah,
give up on it.
exactly.
You just want to hold, hold, hold. And then what you do is increase your risk by moving your stops. You enter more positions. So now you're not only increase the risk by moving your stops, but you also added more positions in. And honestly, this is I think all of us who has traded, we have experienced this. I think,
Totally.
like also myself, like, in my especially my first 3 years in trading were brutal
Same.
years because um I was just
Wasn't
focused on
accepted.
strategy and I was not focused on what's inside my head. So what kind of bugs I have living and what kind of can of worms I had in my head,
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, the first years were brutal and now I know better. It definitely comes with experience and
And I think it's not truly the head. I think it's the heart. It's deeply inside the heart. It's truly about the ego to be
mm,
destroyed,
yeah,
to destroy the, and it's not easy
you
to
touched the
destroy
nail
this ego.
there. Touch the nail. It is about the ego. And I mean, I can share also that for myself. Like I always struggle is like when I lose, it's not so much about, oh, I lost the money. It's more like I lost to the market and I was wrong. And that's
Yeah,
ego inside
exactly.
of you speaking. So yeah, it's tough. It's tough.
I agree. So some people have issues when they lost a certain amount of money. For them,
Mhm.
they will be successful just by reducing the risk, and like this, they avoid watching like a rent when they lose. They don't have any directly an image of a cost. They will just get yeah, a air of a trade losing. Like this, they
Mhm.
will perform better. But the ones who just don't accept losing a trade, even it's $1 trade,
Yeah.
this is more harder to beat, to destroy this ego.
Mm. Yeah. And honestly, I always say this to myself when I enter the trade that no trade defines me as a trader. Just one trade doesn't define
I
you as
agree.
a trader. It's a collective of your trades. So not just one trade will say because I, didn't give this trade my best
I agree.
performance
I think
doesn't
it's
mean I'm
yeah
a bad
around
trader.
100, no 1,000 trades. It will show who you are.
I mean,
But
maybe not that extreme 1,000. It really depends on the strategy. If you're a swing trader, you're going
yeah,
to
of course,
struggle
of
to
course.
get to 1,000,
Ah,
right?
but for the
But
scalpers, it go very fast.
yeah, definitely a bigger sample will then determine who you are as a trader, and it will show the good results. And I think the data, as for traders, is just really, really important. It's part of who we are as a trader, and data will always tell you if you're a good or bad trader. But one trade definitely doesn't define you who you are as a
Exactly.
trader.
Because
And
sometimes even you do mistakes,
yeah,
even without anything. We are humans, we are not robots, so we can
mhm,
do many mistakes. I did
yeah,
some mistakes, like I left going to training, and I kept my trade going ongoing, but
mhm,
there will be a shift of session, close of New York session, opening of the Asian session, and you know what will happen? The spread go huge,
mm,
and boom, the stop loss was touched, and me and was enjoying my workout in the gym,
yeah,
and I left. I saw notification, stop loss touch. I saw the market. I saw the candles.
yeah,
Yeah, it's strange because the candles touch my take profits, and I'm in loss. I said, okay,
yeah,
it's the spread. The spread. So it was a rookie mistake to
yeah.
so you have to yeah be aware of these mistakes, and yeah, the reminder is good for everyone.
Mhm.
The new ones even the experiment one. So also on scalping you can do even more mistakes because it's fast and intense. And also I did a mistake when I wanted to make a specific amount. Instead of a casual amount, I multiplied by 10 the
Oh,
amount.
wow.
Uh, and hopefully, I just always trade at 0.1%,
Okay.
and it was shifted to 1%, I saw it only when it was a loss. How
Mm.
happens that was that much of a loss on this trade? And yeah, I didn't
Mm-hmm.
enter the right number of amount on the scalp because I was
Mm-hmm.
trying to go too fast.
Yeah.
So on scalping, you have to be careful. You can't have focus on other stuff. You can't
Mm-hmm.
have people around you trying to have getting your attention. It will
Mm-hmm.
be a disaster.
I know. I
It all
know.
depends of how you trade. But because for me, my trades can take 1 minute to 4 minutes in general, so it's very fast.
Okay.
And sometimes it can take longer, just like the ones you have on gold. But in general, it's faster than that. So so you have to be quick on the pull like cowboy.
Yeah, we're almost half an hour into this trade, and we are halfway through the stop. So yeah,
So
just
yeah, it depends. Some people have also a strategy that if it's going above a certain time limit, they close
Mhm,
the trade. They close the trade because it's no more respecting their strategy, their rules they have as a scalper or day trader. So
mhm.
yeah, I didn't apply this, but maybe I will on the trading live to see,
Yeah,
yeah, if the trade go above 10 minutes, I'm out.
yeah.
Even
10
if
minutes
the
be
trade goes
closing.
up. So
I would
it
be
can
closing.
be
Yeah,
this
10
kind
minutes.
of strategy. It all
Yeah.
depends of you how you back test it. It's all
Mhm.
always like this. How it is in your back testing, is it better when you close at 10 minutes or let it run? Only then
Yeah,
when you analyze your data, you see what is the best choice in the long run. This
yep.
is how you know if you should close or not. Now it
I mean,
was just a classic scalp trade, and gold is trying to, yeah, we are in the range, so we don't know where it
gold
will
is
be.
trying to destroy me. Gold is
It's a
destroying
game of
my.
patience right now. It's like a waiting game. You
Yeah,
maybe I will go up or down.
I know. It just
But the
stuck in my
trend is
cycle.
on the lower. I mean,
Yeah,
it's downtrend. We are on the downtrend, that's for sure.
yeah.
So we, of course, on the higher time frame, no, but we don't aim for higher time frames. Take profit.
Mhm.
So the
Yeah.
trend is with us. So we have to wait.
We have to wait. But I think, it still makes sense though, this trade. The price might, just wander around and most likely take me out and then move lower. But, we just follow the plan. We follow the plan and we show, I think it's really important to also show this to the
So
traders that
yeah, when
and
exactly the truth, it's life training. There is no.
I know. Yeah, there's no joking around in
Yeah,
here. It's
it's not
gonna be
like, yeah, I pick a nice trade to show on YouTube. No, no, we do it live.
yeah.
This is market live. It's crude, brutal, without any mercy.
Yep.
It's market. This is why we
Two,
need rules.
2 months later, you're gonna see us all gray and bald.
If
Because
we
we
keep
are
scalping, yeah, maybe.
going. Oh no, we're starting. So also, guys, by the way, for those who are watching, me and Amin, we're going to be live every day next week, and we're going to not only do live trading, but we're also going to discuss different topics and just talk about general and trading and have like a discussion and just discuss what it takes to be traders and discuss about risk management and discuss about mindset and how we can build each other up and all that because like it is good to have a conversation. It's good to have
Yeah, we will
conversation somewhere
discuss many
just to
subject
talk to.
strategies. Also check
Yeah.
strategies. They are available on YouTube. Is it fake or true? Is it
Mhm.
clickbait? So you have to be careful and discuss all this. It's good
Yeah.
to avoid the mistakes on internet.
Good discussion. Good discussion. And we'll see. And we'll try to do also live trading. But like I said, Amin is doing live trading every single day on Discord. So please join our Discord. The link is in description. And you can join the live trading in there. And by the way, what are your results? How far
It's ugly.
what
It's ugly. It's ugly because it's a testing area. We don't trade as we should. We are testing, optimizing, and
mm-hmm,
we just finish this week. We done the back testing and the forward testing. So we
mm-hmm.
try to optimize the time of
Yeah.
trading. We saw that we are on losing streak on the night,
Yeah.
and we lose a lot of trades when we are outside of the New York session, and also at the end of the New York session. The scalp
Mm-hmm.
on gold is horrible at this time.
Yeah.
Also, before the before the London session, it's a disaster. Before the New York session, 3 hours before in this range, no one should scalp gold
Mm,
this time.
okay.
So we did a filter like this, and we know which hours now we should trade or not. And
Mm-hmm.
the hours are, in fact, like everyone should trade. It's the opening of the London session for 3 hours, then
Okay.
break, and come back to the opening of the New York session for 4 hours, and bye bye, nothing
Mm-hmm.
more. This is where there is the most of winning trade, and there is the most of volatility. And because, yeah, we tested the strategy on 24 hours, and yeah, we saw where we should trade, where we shouldn't. Now we
Why we
done the back testing and the forward testing, and the most important is to analyze your losing trades to know if you have any correlation between either the time of trading, if it's coming back again, yeah, at the same
Mhm.
time, same range of time, I'm losing. So I say, okay, but I remove this period of trading. I will not trade at these hours because the market is not favorable with this strategy. You have to adapt. Either you change your strategy for these hours, or you just don't trade it.
Mm,
So you have to
mm.
adapt to the market. The market will not adapt to you. And we start trading directly tonight because we finish the testing, and we will trade not only gold because it won't be enough. We'll add other assets on scalp. It will
Yeah.
be gold, Bitcoin.
Oh,
Um,
Bitcoin on scalp. Oof.
yeah, I know.
Oh,
Let's check
wow.
Bitcoin.
Don't check Bitcoin. Oh my
No, no, let's check.
goodness.
Let's check Bitcoin how it goes right now.
It's
So
going
yeah,
down. I wish it
yes,
was gold going down, hey?
yeah,
And
I
my gold
agree.
trade is just like, nope, Anna, you're not going to have this. Not today, my friend. Not today.
So
But you
so
know what? I want to point this out though. But look at this. This is such a good example why we need to wait for confirmation.
I
Because
agree.
if you would have jumped in here into your sell position when the price was just like trending lower,
So let
you
me
would now be
check.
in a big drawdown. And I think this is why it's important to actually wait for the confirmation. And
So
this is
1 minute
where
pound.
traders get it wrong. They
What
just
what
don't wait for the
what
confirmation.
assets? It's 5 minutes, right?
15-minute GU,
50
this is.
minutes. Okay.
We'll go to 5 minutes.
Wow, 50 minutes. Uh, but I'm in. I enter the trade. I don't wait. Sorry.
You entered the sales on GU.
No, no. I will enter and buy. I will take a buy.
Oh, you would take a buy. Okay. Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
buys make sense because we're rejecting now this support
Take a buy.
area.
I wait for the close of this candle and in 1 minute, and I place my limit order just above this hammer. Stop loss below it, the wick, and that's it. Because my RSI is on oversold area. Stochastics getting there. We are
Yeah.
on nice support. Okay, I
Mm-hmm.
place my order. I wait.
Okay. Do you want to share your screen with us just so we can see what you're doing?
Yeah. Let me just how I do that.
Let me, because so I can, so I don't need to show this. So I lose in peace, okay?
Okay. No problem. Let me just
It's
check.
it's like,
Up.
nah, it's okay. The main thing is trade your
Okay.
plan and accept the loss, right? And if it does, it does. But the gold might just, do a ping pong
Yeah,
thing.
it's okay if you lose, etc. It's just in one what situation you are
Yeah.
right now. You know, are you
Uh,
or
Look at
are you on
this.
on back testing, forward testing, optimizing your strategy? So be prepared to have a mess of results. Or are you
Yeah.
already a confirmed strategy and in the long run
Mm.
you are winning? So you just have to be more patient with what you have. So let me search for my. Okay, I have. Let's go. I share.
Okay.
Tell me when you see.
Just a wee second. Okay. There we go.
Okay, so this is my screen right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I place just my limit order just above it. Okay, as you can see there. I don't know if you're able
Yep.
to see. And the stop loss just below the wick. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and I wait now. But if in 15 minutes my order is not taken, I will just close it because it means it's not strong enough to be quick up because I want to be in and out. This is not a
Mm-hmm.
scalp. This is more a day trade because we enter on 15 minutes time frame.
Mm-hmm.
It will have been scalp. I will be going to at least to the 5 minutes at minimum for me to be a scalp. So as you can see, the price came bouncing on this level that
Mm-hmm.
we drew before on the 50 minutes. And we see that we are on the over sold area on the RSI stochastics with a lot of rejections on the 5 minutes. The price
Mm-hmm.
is coming up. Try to bounce on this previous rejections there. Okay, and we wait. We wait. So
We wait.
on the 5 minutes time frame, if I took a trade, it will have been up there exactly. I will have
Mm-hmm.
I will have been placed
Yep.
my order just below above this hammer on red. It was a nice
Mm-hmm.
rejection, and I will be already winning at this trade and out after 15 minutes. But we decided to take the trade on 15 minutes, not on 5. So how it will
Okay.
be on 1 minute time frame? On 1 minute time frame, this is even better. It will have been
Yeah.
even easier because you have a clear divergence with the RSI. It's going higher high, and the price is lower low,
Mm-hmm.
slower. So we have a divergence. So when we have a divergence, I like to trade the break of this divergence. So I have it there. It's clear. Okay. So I have the break there with this candle, very clean breakouts of this divergence, and it's
Mm-hmm.
also breaking the 50 EMA. So I will be placing my order just above it, stop loss below the last rejection,
How
and
much in the pips is that stop loss? It's like tiny.
it's
Wow.
indeed tiny 5.7 pip. This is scalping.
What?
And yeah, it will have been inside this trade already and almost winning the scalp, but I'm not in 1 minute time frame, sadly.
Yeah.
And the price is going down back, so maybe I will be losing this scalp. So
Oh
this is
no.
very fast. It's this is how fast scalp compared to the scalp you took on gold, the more
Yeah.
is big the take profit, the longer you have to wait, and there the smaller is the take profit, the
Yep.
faster it will be, but the more intense it will be. But you just have to see it as a quick suffering, you know?
Quick
Not
suffering. Yeah. My
exactly.
suffering has been for 43
Exactly.
minutes.
For
Wait.
you, it's a long suffering. It's
Long
like
suffering.
still giving you some stabs. For me, I have to suffer for a few minutes and bye. It's a win or loss, but I didn't. I stopped the
Yeah.
suffering after that.
You're stop
So yeah,
suffering.
this is the trade on scalp if I had to take it, and this is the trade on 15 minutes day trade.
Mhm.
That's it. I'm already in the trade. They took my limit order, so now I have to wait, just like you, for gold.
Nice. We're both waiting then, because this is my situation. Okay, I'm close. Okay, I'm close to losing, and I accept it. It
Me,
sucks.
I'm just starting, so let's hope for a better situation.
Okay, my suffering is gonna be over, and then we're gonna watch you suffer. Okay.
Okay, great. I should have been taking a scalp. It would have been faster.
Oh
Like this, I
my.
will like yeah. As you can see, the scalp is quicker to end your suffering or your joy. And yeah,
Yeah. It's just
this
like,
is
I mean, look at that. It's
because
just a ping pong, ping
for me,
pong
if
right
you take scalping trades, it should not take too long because it's already too much stress. So
now. Mm,
this is
yeah.
it. I can, yeah, of course, take a bigger take profits, go with the next big level there. But I just took the
Mhm,
last small key level bounce
mhm.
and 1 to 1, 5.7 pips, and that's it.
Yeah.
For now, it's working well. It was a good scalp, but I wasn't inside of it, sadly. It's
Yeah.
okay. I'm in day
It's okay.
trade now. Let's hope it
Yeah.
will follow up.
Yeah. Spiking is joining and says, "Hey, what's up, everyone?" Yeah, we're in a struggle. Okay,
Struggle of
we're
scalp.
we're struggling as scalpers. We're struggling. Maybe for next time when we do live trading, I'll try to enter some like swing trades, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then just like hold them, and then we can discuss like about also our emotions when we are swing trading, because it is completely different when you swing
Completely
trade
different.
and when you
Exactly. Yeah,
scalp. Absolutely.
I
But
agree.
I mean, look at this. Okay, wait. Look at this. Look what the gold is doing with me. Like, what is this? It's been kissed already twice. Like, look at
It's
that. It's
yeah, it's suffering to. As you can
yeah.
look mine. It's trying to reach my take profits now going down, but I know it won't take much. It's like teasing me, but not. I know it won't take that
Hmm.
long. So yeah, just
Yeah.
end it quick and like we move on.
Oh my. You're in a drawdown now a little bit as well. Yeah, I'm in
Yeah,
quite
as
a
you
bit
can
of a
see,
drawdown.
it's the
Yeah.
market. So this is why it's very hard to scalp because you watch it live, the variation up, down. Now I'm almost good to take profits. I'm the king.
Yeah.
Now, okay, I'm down again. I'm homeless. It's not that great to scalp. So
Yeah.
it's
It is.
a
Yeah.
variation of
Spike is
emotions.
asking, can you guys check Aussie NZD? Would you like to do your analysis first? I mean, and then I can do
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
mine. We can
Yeah.
see what we're seeing.
So
What we're seeing. So
I will
Aussie
stop watching
NZD.
this trade because it's not good to watch the trades, guys. Once you put the trades, just let it be.
Yeah,
So what
just
did you say? NSD, which assets? I didn't hear.
Aussie NZD.
Okay,
So
okay,
Australian dollar and New Zealand
let's
dollar.
go. So let's check on the swing trade first, and we'll go
Mm-hmm.
until to the down.
So higher time frames.
So
Monthly.
I always check with first monthly. This is the best time frame, and it's for the kings.
Mm-hmm.
The one candle is one full month of price action. This is very strong. So the level are way more respected, and So we should take an account of this. And also for swing trader, yeah, it should be the first thing to watch. So there, I just draw the most key level. As you can see on the left, I have there a very recent strong key level, but I can even draw it further, okay, and go that it was also respected there. Exactly, it was there. We had a bounce, so I may able to make it bigger to match the close of the candles.
Mhm.
Up to be inside. So there we have our strong key level and we are in it. So we directly go on the weekly to see how it goes. So we have nice rejections, nice hammers, okay, and the RSI is oversold. Stochastics crossed above the area and over both. I mean, the RSI is over both, and stochastics cross with the over both area. I have a very good signals for a selling trade, but I want confirmations always. So I check on the daily how it goes. So I have double top with the divergence on the RSI. As you can see, the price make a higher high and the RSI make a higher low. Okay. And I will just draw this level, the most recent bounce. Okay. On the daily. As a swing trader, I will be waiting for a break of this level, okay, because we are already on a key level, a key resistance with a lot of rejections on the weekly time frame. This is very strong setups, good signals, and on the weekly time frame we have a lot of weak and the nice revert hammers. On the daily time frame we have revert divergence on the RSI, and yeah, I would like to break. If I have a break of this small key support with the nice hammer, I directly go check on the 4 hours time frame, because I will try to enter always on the 4 hours time frame to have the right candle that break the level. There we have the level that we draw on the daily. As you can see, we can adjust it on the 4 hour time frame because now it's more clean and clear. So now we have the level, and we wait for a break, but I repeat again, I don't enter when I have only a break on the 4 hour time frame. I wait when the candle of the daily candle is closed, because otherwise, like this, I avoid fake breakouts. Like this, as you can see, it may break and go up. It will make a wick, and then it will maybe bounce and go all the way up. But to avoid a fake breakout, I wait confirmation of the break of this level on the daily level, and only then I go to the 4 hour time frame, okay, to see where where what where is the break of the level, and I place my order there. If the price already left me, I just place my order and wait for the price to come back. Otherwise, I check another asset. So this is for the swing trade on the OD NSD, and for now I'm waiting for the break of this level on the daily, and after that I will go on the 4 hour time frame to enter it if it's a nice break. Okay, so now let's check for a day trade. Okay, so for day trade we already draw our key level. This is our daily key level. This is a strong level for day traders. And for our time frames, it seems we're trying to bounce on it or break it. So we check on the 1 hour time frame how it goes. So as you
Mhm.
can see, it can bounce on it multiple times with nice rejections there and there. Okay, and each time the RSI was oversold. Now it's coming back again on 1 hour time frame. and we have nice rejections, and it made a breakout, but come back directly. So it sounds like a fake breakout, and the RSI is oversold. So if I want to trade, I have two options. I can enter on the 1 hour time frame, but I won't directly enter at this trade. I just place my order above this engulfing candle, but it's best to go on lower time frame to wait and see how
I
is the
agree.
structure. So I go on the 15 minutes to see how it goes. So it's still ranging. Okay, we have still some range on this support. So we
Mm-hmm.
don't have still a clear break to the up or to the down. All the signals are telling me that it may bounce to the up, but I prefer to have a confirmation, like a clear breakout of this level. So what I want is a nice breakout of this area, okay, where we have multiple small bounce. I
Mm-hmm.
want it to break up, and only then I place my order above the break and wait for the next candle to touch it. That's it for the day trade on the 50 minutes. But let's check on the scalp. So on the scalp we have our levels. Let's go on the 5 minutes time frame how it goes. So as you can see, the price came bouncing on this resistance many times and is trying to break it. Once again, I will wait for a break of this level if I want to scalp, and even best with a pullback on it. So for now, in all time frames, I will just check for 1 minute time frame how it goes because the last we didn't check. So 1 minute time frame, what do we have? We have the level there. Okay, the price is trying to go to this level, so we'll check for rejections like this, maybe have a bounce and for a selling trade. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and for now I have nothing to do. So for now I wait depending of the time frame. I wait either for a breakout to the down or a bounce to this level or a breakout to this level. So as you can see, my my trade can be a sell or a buy depending on the time frame I'm trading.
Yeah. Cool.
But for now it's a waiting game for all time frames
It really is.
because we
Okay,
are on
you
the
know
key
what?
level.
I'll show you what I saw. Okay.
Yes, your turn.
Well, you were doing your analysis, I did mine. So
Good,
I
good.
agree what you said, the monthly, daily. And if I go on 4 hours, then actually you can see that this level here already has been broken with this candle. But what I don't like is that there is still this wick that hasn't been broken. So basically, none of the candles has been closed below this wick. But still, I think we potentially could move lower and have like a deeper pullback because it's been really really bullish. So and if this is the start of the bearish trend, then it's really really good potential in here. And Spiking already said that they are in the trade since 3 days ago and at
Bravo.
1.13718, really really good entry. 718, like around in here. Amazing entry. Amazing. And I mean, it makes sense, right? Because there was also this resistance area in here, especially in here,
I
you can
agree.
see. And then like this big wick, it's just amazing. Great. So, and if I want to enter now, and if my overall bias are bearish, then I would be like waiting to enter the sales. And on 15 minutes, it looks like it's already taken because if you look at the, this low here, right, it is
Yeah.
taken um right here. It has been taken. So now I can actually figure out where I want to enter, and maybe I could enter like here and put my let me do risk to reward tool. So if we are looking to sell, for example, now, right, what we can do, we can put it above these highs and
Yeah,
just,
great.
target
Place
somewhere,
stop loss.
maybe like in here in this area. So this could be a potential setup, really, like a trade here, based on the higher time frame, breaking down everything. So yeah, I think this could be a good setup here. And it just says to me that in 15 minutes the trade is ready, but for 4 minutes to be really, like, for, sorry, not 4 minutes, but 4 hours for the trade to be really ready, I would like to see these, like, this wick taken out with this candle closing with the body
Yeah,
below
it will be
this wick.
great.
Yeah. So
This is
that
what I
that
want
would be
to
my
see.
5 cents. And by the way, guys, we are going to wrap the stream, and this trade
Show me your
is
God.
just this trade is just torturing, okay? Like, it's a torture. I hate being scalper. I hate
Yeah,
scalping.
you just shifted the scalp to day trade.
Yeah, I shifted from scalping. Like, I really thought it's going to be great. We're going to go lower. We're going to fill this low here. It's going to be great stuff.
The
And we go,
probabilities was great, but nothing is
yeah.
certain, sadly.
Yeah. So,
So we
anyhow,
wait.
I love
Maybe
that
later it will be a win. We will show it
or
on
a loss
Discord.
or a loss.
I will
But I
show
love
it
that
when I will
anyway.
trade later.
I love that on the Discord. So, guys, if you want to see how this trade ended, did I took a break even? Did I took a profit or stop? Just join the Discord, and I'll update you there in the trading floor chat, and I'll show you how I dealt with this trade. But it's been a long trade. Like, I
Yeah,
literally took it when we started the stream. It's
it's
just,
torturing.
yeah. But okay, I mean, let's finish the session. It was good session. Let me show you your misery. Where are you now? You are,
Okay, it's
that's your
it's
struggle.
it's worse than you because you see it's up and down. It's I'm close to your take profit. Now I'm getting close to your stop loss. Up,
Mhm.
getting close again to your take profit. I'm like,
Yep,
just choose a comp and it stop.
I know. I wish you could speak with market and the market would do what you want it to do, but
This
it's
is
never
the
like
dream of everyone, mate.
I
You see?
know.
Look, the price
Yeah,
just near the take profit, go down near the stop loss,
I
up
know.
again.
Yep.
It's
Well, maybe
it's a
not.
joke.
Maybe not. Maybe not. If they would ask me, like when I was little, like now if I could go back in time and they would like, Anna, what kind of superpower would you like to get? Like, would you like to have? And I would be like, I want to read the market. I want to know what the market is going to do.
This is
I
yeah.
don't want to
This
fly. I don't want to, any magic. I just want to
ah
know what the
the
market
trade
is
is
going to
soon
do.
done. Maybe yeah. It's like the biggest That's it.
That's
The
it.
the
It
trade
would
is
be,
done for the scalp. So
yep.
yeah. So for the scalp, it was a finished trade. It took me yeah
It took
15
you
minutes at
15,
least.
yeah, at least
It's
15
okay.
minutes
It's good.
shorter.
It's good. It's good. But yeah, it was teasing me near my stop loss, as you can see, up again. So
Yeah,
yeah, never
good.
despair of a losing trade.
Oh my.
So
Yeah,
yeah,
this is it.
that's it for the scalp. Now I'm wait for the day trade. But yeah, I just like you, I will
Yeah,
will
same
take
thing for me. I just
maybe
need to
few
wait.
hours.
I need to wait for, until market closure, but that's what it is. But anyhow,
Yeah,
guys, thank you so
we
much
will
for
close before.
thank you for joining in. So me
See
and
you
Amin
later,
will
guys.
going to be here next week. We're going to do different topics. We're going to talk about different. We're going to have different discussions, and we're also obviously going to do the live trading because this is great. It shows the reality of trading. We can talk emotions. We can discuss a lot of things. But thank you so much for joining us, Spiking. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you, Stephen Train. Thank you. Look at that. Thanks, guys, for being here. We appreciate you.
Thank you a
Okay.
lot, and
Right.
see you
Thank
on
you.
Discord.
And we'll see you on the Discord. And take care. Use proper risk management. And we will see you next week. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.